This is DG Vision Network.
This is still DG Vision Network. Like I promised you earlier, we have in the house today an honorable. He's not just in title, but also in his personality. He's from the eastern part of the country, but he's a member of the Lagos House of Assembly. Please join me to welcome Honorable Emeka Idimogu. You are welcome to the show.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
All right, let us start from the very beginning. We all know that since the pandemic came in 2020, it caused a lot of changes to how we do a lot of things, government inclusive. In what ways would you say the pandemic changed the operations of the House of Assembly technologically?
Well, the truth is that the pandemic affected a lot of things. The whole world, not just Lagos or Nigeria only. People have to learn new way of doing things. At the point, the slogan we are hearing like the new normal. Yes, the new normal, the new normal. Well, in the house, we naturally in the house, definitely our sitting method is always through physical. People will come, but with, well, at that time, everybody was trying to learn how to adapt, how to survive it, because the fear we may have everybody, the Russians have Nigeria have like a disease that will wipe off everybody. So I want to also, let me give kudos to my speaker in particular, my members, and the governor, Mr. Governor, and the Commissioner of Health. As the way they took the challenge, at the point Lagos was the epic center that COVID, because it was like a gateway. The people that are traveling out, mostly people are coming in, mostly pass through Lagos. Except few that are still in Abuja on their so Lagos was just a peak of center. So I was still the health management staff in what we did, like the House of Assembly, we did one thing that was special, which was a bill. We have to pass a bill, a COVID bill, to support the governor, Mr. Bagbe, to ensure that he has the funds, because at that point, you need money to run a lot of things you do not plan. Things that was here, we never in the budget have to be disrupted, because you have to save life first. Life was important. So we need to thank God for the speaker and other member that rise up and the COVID bill was passed to give support to whatever Mr. Molo was doing to battle COVID. Because in everything we do, some people are there to watch you. Is there any law guiding you doing X, Y, and Z? So if you don't have that law, it becomes a charge. Before you know, they run to the court and they're telling you stories and stuff like that. So the house, we work in tandem with the executive to ensure that we see how we can control the effects of COVID. Mostly those in health community, and some members also have to also visit isolation centers. We'll see one-on-one what is required, what their challenges are. It's not mere telling us, we need to go there and see. And I must tell you, it happened. Then the new thing also, Zoom, technological-wise, Zoom becomes another major people communicating. You don't need to be physically present. Well, I will not say we do that much, but I know that, like some of our colleagues on distance, you can have a kind of virtual meeting with Zoom and stuff like that. So these are ways I know COVID-19 in particular affected what we were doing. But I think no matter how, human beings are always having a way to overcome challenges. So I think the right support was given to the government and the medical team. They have been working and they are still working as of today. Really, the Omicron that is in another third wave, second wave, and the vaccination that is coming in. The house is still doing their very best to ensure that all that they know that they can do to battle COVID.
Alright, thank you very much. You're still watching Digivision Network, and with me is Honorable Jude Emeka, the only man from the eastern part of Nigeria who sits.
This is Digivision Network.
This is Digivision Network with Barakabi. You can log on to our YouTube channel to watch more videos on ICT, business, lifestyle, and innovation at www.youtube.com/Digivision Network, or you go to our website at www.digivisionnetwork.com. With me here is still Honorable Jude Emeka, Idimogu, a member of the Lagos State House of Assembly, who is talking to us about governance in Lagos State and so much more. So, sir, let us continue with this conversation. And this time around, I want us to look at the year 2022. What should we expect, especially when we know that it's the year preceding another general election?
For me, I believe it will be a very good year. At the national level, the budget also has a well, normally all budget, everybody aspires to every leader wants the budget officially to be greater than the previous year budget. But the challenge is the ability to also find the resources to ensure that all your planned programs are also done as required by the law you have passed, which is the appropriation law, and believing that your citizen will benefit out of it. So, but like I said, I'm hopeful 2022.
Okay, thank you very much, Honorable Jude Emeka, for your time. We appreciate all these things you told us today. We hope that if we call on you next time, you will oblige us.
It's my pleasure. You're welcome.
This is Digivision Network.